out of the Mediterranean island of Malta, where we know at this hour 2 hijackers with grenades have taken over a passenger plane. They are at this moment threatening to blow it up on the tarmac. The Maltese police conducting negotiations with these hijackers by phone. Obviously, this has been intensifying, going on for a few hours now. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon there in Malta. We know that at least some of the passengers we know have been released, potentially all of them. We are staying on top of this story. Ian Lee joins us now with more. This is an Airbus 320. This is a plane that left from the Libyan city of Sebha. It was headed to Tripoli, obviously diverted to Malta. What else do we know about the passengers on that plane, Ian?
Well, there was 111 passengers on that plane, and we're hearing from the Prime Minister's office that 109 passengers have been released, leaving 2. Presumably, those are both of the hijackers. We're hearing this from Maltese Foreign Ministry, saying that the 2 hijackers claim they have grenades. We do not know their demands yet. We're expecting to get that shortly. But they have been, as we've been watching this over the course of the hours, they've been allowing people to leave. First, they allowed the women and children to leave, and then the elderly. We're hearing from the Prime Minister's office that they're going to allow the crew to leave, too. But when you're looking at these pictures, the crew doesn't look like they've left the plane yet.
Ian, obviously we don't know the motivation here. We don't know the identity of the hijackers. We do know the context, and the context is that Libya has been in the midst of a very complex, to say the least, civil conflict with a number of armed groups, obviously, after, in the wake of the Gaddafi government there. I mean, what else can you tell us about what could have sparked this?
Yeah, there's a lot of factions in Libya right now. ISIS is also operating there. We don't know who these 2 people are, but I think the important thing to look at is that they allowed this plane to land. So it looks like that they have demands. What those demands are, we don't know. But we did see a man who left the plane a little while ago. He waved a green flag, and so the green flag was the flag of the former leader Muammar Gaddafi, who was killed in that civil war. So it could be supporters of the former leader who hijacked this plane. But we're still waiting from the Maltese government. Right now, the armed forces of Malta are conducting the negotiations.
Yeah.